If you are ready to cut out the version of you that no longer serves you, I want you to start with a 7-day mental rehearsal, okay? Or if you are ready to cut out not having the reality that you just want to have, everything for you could be going smooth right now and you just desire to have whatever you seek. All that you seek is seeking you. So I want you to try this. Do it 2 times daily. Do it once when you rise and do it as you're falling to sleep, actually, because when you lay down and you close your eyes, your brain begins to lower those brain waves, and when you're in your theta brain state, this is when creation really takes place. So 2 times a day, mental rehearsal. I want you to visualize the version of yourself that you want to be right now. Embody that. What does that version smell like? What sounds are they hearing? Be detailed. How is their hair? How is their nails? Even if you're a man, right? Is the version of you, is his nails nice and clean, manicured? Visualize all these things from the top to the bottom, from the bottom up. Okay? Every single part. Leave nothing out. Leave nothing for question. What type of touch is around the version that you desire to be? What are the textures that you feel? What is the taste that is on your lips? What is the taste that you have experienced in this reality? Because it's not like the things you are experiencing now. And some things may come into their, overlap. We all have our favorite foods. But there's something so unique about the reality you are craving for. It's something unique about it because it's a different experience. You have not experienced it yet, but you are, when you do this 7-day mental rehearsal and you visualize it, you are experiencing it. So I want you to try this out. I want you to really embody this. Create a space in your mind that's specifically just for that version that you know you are, because it's already a reality. It's already possible. But now it's the quantum leap into it. And you speed it up by doing these type of tactics to rehearse your mind, because the brain does not know what is real versus fake. So you do this constantly and you will see a shift. You will see that the version you desire to be, the things that version hears, that's what you're hearing right now. You're going to see a shift. And if you be intentional, you're going to see that shift quickly within 3 days. You're going to begin to have real life proof of what you're already doing in your mind. You're going to see those things come into materialization. Okay? What kind of perfume or cologne are you wearing? You're going to walk outside and you're going to smell it. You're going to be in a store and somebody's going to walk past you, and that's going to be your confirmation. Wow, you smell beautiful. Okay? You are going to see something during this visualization that is very significant to you and to you only. This is what a custom made item is, right? Custom made. You might, for example, you may want a similar car like someone else. You may want a Benz, but your Benz is custom made. The way your Benz smell is different than someone else's. Okay, the sound you play in your Benz is different from someone else's. You are custom made. There is nothing the same when it comes to materializations, because even people, each of us look differently. So your reality, the person you want to be, is different from everyone else. You may be wearing one long earring and one short one. And this is going to get into another part. I had such a dynamic class today. For those of you who are interested in joining my Cut and Thrive workshop, which is really a mastermind, go ahead and click the link below so you can sign up for the next cohort. But something really interesting came up, and this is going to help you to become the version you want to be. Vibration is a state of being. So when someone is vibrating high, they are vibrating in abundance and love and clarity. When somebody is vibrating low, they're vibrating in fear, doubt, and scarcity. High vibrational people don't hang with low vibrational people. But here comes a bit of a paradox, right? This is how sometimes we end up running into someone low vibrational or high vibrational. I come from the hood, so there's a lot of fear, doubt, scarcity, right? But even somebody vibrating low can tend to oscillate up because of awareness, because of evidence, because of seeing. So you in fear and doubt and scarcity, but you end up seeing what someone else has. You begin observing someone else actually is living a lit life. So that begins to bring you up to hope. And you're like, oh, I want that desire. It's up to you to keep oscillating higher until you maintain a high vibration, because it's a state of being. It's a mindset. Whatever your dominant mindset is, that is what you will always see. So even people who vibrate high in abundance, love, and clarity, and may lost a stock that day or found their partner cheating on them. This is the game of life. All emotions, we all feel all emotions. So somebody vibrating high may dip and oscillate lower because of what they just went through. They're having fear now. Oh my God, I lost my stock. Oh my God, doubt. Like, my partner just cheated on me. That really hurts. Scarcity. Like, so they dip down, but because they've maintained such a high vibration, they're going to come back up. They're going to bounce right back up and keep on vibrating high. So low vibrational people can oscillate high and continue that on if they choose. It's all a choice. High vibrational people choose to vibrate high, but they are still experiencing human emotions. So the awareness of recognizing that, hold up, I'm going down a spiral. I'm getting depressed right now. I don't like this. Let me shift this up, okay? Let me rise back up into the love that I know I am. Let me gain my clarity. And if you found this video helpful, please drop a comment. If you are ready to cut out things that don't serve you and to thrive in the reality that you know you deserve to have, reach out and join my program, Cut and Thrive. Peace, love, and darkness. Stay rich, wet, and dangerous. I will see you soon. Deuces.
Had to hop over fences and climb up the ladder to get what I want, bitch. I'm just getting better. They tried to tell me I would never be shit. Look at me now, body built like a brick. Sleep all you want, but I'm chasing my dreams. Everything I do is fucking supreme. Came from the hood, ain't shit sweet about me.